Good morning, everyone, and welcome back to the channel. It's Rick at Retro Rebuild 519. Thanks for joining in today. It's a little chilly out here in the garage, so I had to put the toque on for the first time this year. If you realize that you're where we're from here in Canada, it gets cold pretty early. So anyways, thanks for joining in. Today we're going to take care of the brakes. We're going to take the brakes off. Even though I've taken off 3 of the 4, I'm going to take off the last one to show you how to do it. We're going to take off the gas tank, and as you can see my breath. It's pretty cold in here. So with that said, we'll get started. My brother-in-law Ron's coming over today to help out, and should be a good day. So sorry about and again, sorry about I haven't really made a video in the last little while because I was sick, and I know I'm not going to whine and sit here and cry about being sick, but yeah, I was sick and I wasn't able to do anything lately, so and I've been pretty busy, but I am going to get some more videos out, and now we're kind of getting into the boring part of the rebuild, where we're just taking more things apart and checking out things. But it should be interesting if you're interested in that kind of stuff, so stay tuned and we'll talk to you later. Well, yeah, guys, and one thing I forgot to mention, I hit the 40 subscriber mark, which is pretty cool. Thanks a lot for the guys that that helped out there. I really appreciate it. You know, it's going to be a tough journey. I know reaching 1,000 subscribers is a long ways away, but as we keep moving on, hopefully people subscribe. And if you're interested in that kind of stuff, please hit the subscribe button and hit the notification and bell, and that'll tell you when new videos come out, so you won't miss a thing. So with that said, we'll begin today. Thanks a lot. Okay, I'm back here. We're going to go under the car and check out the gas tank situation, and I'll show you what it looks like. So, if you can see here, there's one strap here, and then there's one strap here. We've already cut out the tops. Or actually, no, we haven't. No, we haven't. I lied. What did we do here? We disconnected the plug for it. That's probably the pump plug. And so we'll have to take off them 2 straps. Like I said, these 2 straps here, that one here, and that one here. And then we've also cut the muffler. You can see the muffler here. We've cut that out, but we're going to have to go back a bit deeper, I think, and to cut that out farther back so we can drop this tank down, and so we can get it past this crossbar. I may have to take this crossbar out, or cross member out. This has been a bitch. I already took out a couple of them. It's been pretty tough. But this one right here is a so here we go. I think we got her. There we go. Yep. It's got these 2 torque bars, one on each side. I know we're not supposed to use a torque bar on this side, but we did anyways. Should use the pry bar. Not a pry bar, but wow, that was brutal. That's good. Sorry about that. Okay, now I can put a ratchet on that. So we got that out, and we'll continue on. Hold on here. Well, there's the 2 gas tank bolts that we got out right here. I couldn't get underneath there to film because we need 2 hands, 4 hands to do that. So they're the bolts anyway. So that's what we're at with so far. So bear with us. Oh, forgive me here, but I'm gonna try and get this. That is holding it up here. Now these things there we go. Hold on. Fuck. Bye-bye, piece of shit. Oh, that was a nightmare. Whew. Now that was a nightmare. But we got it out. Whew. There you go. We put the carb cleaner in now. It's soaked in there for a bit. Now we're going to restart it and work the throttle. Come on. Maybe not. Hold on 1 second here. About 5 minutes now. We should be at running temperature. No leaks. There was a leak last time when underneath. I looked underneath one of the pans and it was leaking a bit, but it's not leaking right now. Well, that's something we'll look at later. It's good. Well, folks, that should do it for today. If you like what you see, please subscribe to my channel, Retro Rebuild 519. Hit the notification button if you can. That'd be great. And have a good day. Thanks a lot for tuning in. Take care.